So I'm doing a tub surround here. This is the back wall. And anyway, I just want to, what I did is I made a center mark on the, between the two walls. This is a 4x16 tile, so I made a half, we're doing a half offset. So I'm going 8 inches over, and I made another mark right there. That's the half line. I don't know if you can see my marks up there. Center and half. So anyway, what that does over here in the corner, I want to show how this affects the sidewall. I made a mark for center of the shower valve, right? So that's the shower, the tub valve right there. Center's right here. So if I continue, here's the leftover piece. Ideally you want these tiles to just look like they continue through. Now, if I center on this and do a quarters layout, which is probably a subject for a different post, but if I do a quarters layout, that would be 4 inches each way on this side of the valve. So each one of these grout joints in different rows would be equal distant from the center of that shower valve. What I'm going to actually just pull this tile out a little bit, about a half an inch, and put it on that center mark. So that way they will be centered off the shower valve. However, it's not a very good use of tile. It's not a very efficient use of tile. So, because, instead of using this piece, I now have to cut this piece out of a new one. But I'm doing 2 showers in this house, and hopefully I can use the leftovers, and that's just what looks best. If this were a track home or something like that, I would just do whatever is the... So it's holes in halves, quarters on the shower valve, and a wrap in the corner is what I'm hoping to achieve. So here the tile is installed. I think it looks like it wraps in the corner there. And then this is just to show that the valve is centered in between those 2 grout joints. So it's 4 inches there to the grout joint on the right and 4 inches on the left. So it's a little bit subtle. It's not quite as obvious as if the grout joint's right down the middle there, but that's what I was kind of hoping to achieve here. So don't know what Instagram thinks of this, but that's what I was trying for.